looks like we're going camping, guys. We had a major project this weekend. As you can see, something is missing. But we don't need a second level. We just have the bottom. And this is what's missing. So, all right. Let's go camping. This is our first camping trip since New Year's, or the weekend after New Year's. And we found a beautiful place. And we love our WeeRoll still. We are still camping in it. I know we talked about eventually doing something else. But right now, we just love the WeeRoll. And if you've noticed, there is no camper top on the truck. So it was a little bit easier to back the truck in yesterday because you could actually see, which I didn't back it in, Mark did, but he could actually see me. So anyway, we're going to walk around today. Look at this beautiful place. Whew, so we're going to walk down here to the lake and see what's down here. Water. It's long, steep. I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but Mark is way up there. Let's see. Guess I better be careful. Don't step on those snakes. It didn't get up till 70 today. It's got up to about 68, but it's still nice. The wind, if it wasn't for the wind blowing, it would have been really nice. I brought shorts, but oh well. Let's see. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Oh my gosh. I think we found us a hidden gem. It's not too far from our house. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is nice. We seen a bald eagle earlier, but I couldn't catch it on camera. So we'll walk down here and look. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh wow. People come out here and fish. And as you seen earlier, the boats going by. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look at this. Very nice. It's a beautiful place. And down there is the boathouse, or yeah, the boat launch. And there's looks like a facility over there too. If you can see it. Let's see. Walk down here. Oh, this is very nice. Alright. I guess I'm going to walk back up there and help Mark. Look. Look guys, gotta walk back up the hill. Ah. But yeah, This is a very nice place. Okay. I'm still walking up the hill. Not even halfway there. I didn't realize it was this steep. We're gonna have pork tenderloin with this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. I made some pinto beans and we brought them, so we're going to have that with the pork tenderloin. Yum. Looks like Mark has firewood for us for a fire tonight. He did a lot of shopping earlier. And there is a crow that won't hush up there. I don't know what he wants, but we don't have anything. But we've been talking to some amazing people here and learned a lot about the place. But we're fixing to chill. We have a fire going. It's getting dark. But there's supposed to be a big old moon tonight. There was one last night, so I'm going to try to get a little bit of video of it tonight if I can. Listen. It is so quiet. Oh my gosh. It's getting dark. It's just, I'm glad we came camping. We'll just leave it at that. Well, good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a very nice day, but we are going home today. And so we're going, and we also slept late. We're going to have bagels from Panera Bread and coffee for breakfast. That's all we're having. Mark's making our breakfast.
I left my brush at home.
Well, I don't know what I look like.
I have clown hair.
He's fine. He always looks good. But okay, so we're gonna eat and enjoy this beautiful scenery.
As long as we can.
As long as we can.
So they tell us to leave.
That's right. Well, I wish.
Yeah.
Okay.
You. What? My attempt to toast the bagel.
Showing that that's how we're doing. Or how we do it. But listen to this.
I need one of those toaster makers. I don't know. So now we're good to go?
Huh?
As you can tell, I slept well last night. I slept hard. The WeeRoll slept so good last night.
We are enjoying the WeeRoll. We are still enjoying the WeeRoll.
Oh Lord, yes, that 8-inch memory foam mattress is the bomb. It's almost like sleeping at your bed at home. It was good.
Yep.
And as Loretta said, we're having bagels. I used to call these Yankee biscuits. Pretty good. We got the everything ones, everything bagels. And then it just made me think though that I have this theory about cake. That there's two types of cake people. The one type is people that just like the cake. They could eat the cake without any icing. And then the other type is the people that just use the cake as a delivery device for the icing. So which are you? Do you prefer the cake or do you prefer the icing? Or do you prefer the bagel? Or in this case, the
cream cheese
topping? Let us know below.
I love it.
Wind's pushing that boat.
It is, ain't it? It's time to go. We got to go back to work. But we had an awesome time, met some awesome people. Met Al from Florida. We met Christy and Wes. And Wes has a YouTube channel. It's called Wes Lee Music. So check it out. We also met some people that live nearby. I can't remember what their names are, but very nice people here. So anyway, let me show you this beautiful place here. Anyway, we will definitely be back. It is a gorgeous place.
It's sad. Sad face. We're having to pack up.
It is. I know.
Still ain't brushed my hair. My hair. What's that quote from?
If you know, put a link
Put it below, yeah.
or comment below.
My hair.
The WeeRoll looks great. Look at it. We love our WeeRoll. Awesome.
Make sure you like bell button.